Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the parent structure. The molecule contains a benzene ring with 2 substituents, so we treat it as a phenyl ketone, aryl ketone. The carbonyl carbon bears the benzene ring on one side and a 5-carbon chain, pentyl, on the other, making the longest carbon chain including the carbonyl 6 carbons total, hexane 1-1. Step 2. Name the acyl ketone portion. The carbonyl is at C1 of a 6-carbon chain. C is equal to O plus 5 CH to CH 3 carbons is equal to hexane 1-1, so the ketone fragment is hexane 1-1. Step 3. Name the aryl substituent. The phenyl ring carries a bromine atom. Numbering the ring so that C1 bears the carbonyl group, the bromine is located at C3 meta position, giving 3-bromophenyl. Step 4. Assemble the IUPAC name. The aryl group is named as a substituent on the ketone, 1,3-bromophenyl, hexane 1-1. The 1 prefix before the parenthesis locates the aryl group at C1 and hexane 1-1 specifies the 6-carbon chain with the ketone at C1. No other regiochemical assignments are possible because the bromine is clearly at the meta 3 position relative to the carbonyl-bearing carbon. Therefore, the correct answer is 1,3-bromophenyl, hexane 1-1. The correct answer is shown on screen.